If you hate cleaning the kitty box as much as I do, well, here's some cat technology just for you. Here, kitten. Your potty's ready. Okay, shall we show him how it works? Okay, let's go. Come on, you can do it. You can demo this. There you go. Okay, here's your robot. Remember what you do with it? You remember? They go into the litter box. They do their business. They come out. And then the robot kicks in and starts cycling. And it rotates so that the clean litter goes into this screen up here. The rest gets dumped as it rotates through a hole up here. Once the system has separated the clean litter from the used particles and has disposed of the tushy rolls, then the machine will set itself back on course and the clean sand will be dispersed back into the machine, ready for use again. There's a receptacle at the bottom of the machine that one pulls out and catches the litter, and then the bag you just dispose of. So if you have multiple cats in your house, or you're going on vacation for a couple days and you want to make sure Kitty has a clean space to use the facilities, you might want to consider a kitty cat litter cleaning robot. Do you approve of your kitty box? Yeah? Okay. Thank you.